Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Now, to those of you that are yet to follow us on Telegram, if you are yet to follow us or you are new, make sure you follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, follow us on Telegram because we'll put in one or two updates for you that will be needful for you. Now let's take a look at GBP USD. Now let's start with the full trend. We can see that let me start for quick movement. Let's say that this is the impulse move to down upside, right? This is an uptrend move. Then market give us this corrective wave to the downside. Then we had another impulse move breaking up this previous higher highs, right? This is the corrective wave on GBPJPY. This is the corrective wave. Now we are now on the impulse move to the upside. So basically, we will continue with the trend up till we have a new higher highs. Currently, we are trading at 184 on GBPJPY. So GBPJPY needs to break a level of 186.500. Definitely, we should break it, and it is a must to break. Probably we'll be heading to a level of 187. That is what I'm saying. So GBPJPY still has more bullish move that is coming. Now let's take a look at this recent move that is actually playing out. Let's start with here. This is an higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. What is currently playing out now? This is an higher lows. So let us see drop a bit because I think it will come down a bit. So once we can get this higher lows and it is complete, then we would expect a movement to the upside. So we would continue more movement. We would be expecting more movement to the upside. So just a little bit of a drop on GBPJPY, then we will continue the movement to the upside because you can see it is now at this our 20 period simple moving average, as you can see it. And yes, GBPJPY can actually push up because if you notice, you'll see that market tends to respect the 20 period simple moving average a lot, which is very fine. So with it is here, so expect a bullish move anytime soon on GBPJPY. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram, guys. You will find the link in the comment section.